All right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 8 on CR 14. It says find the missing angles. I'm guessing they might want angle X, but I'm going to find all of the missing angles here. So if I take a look here, this is a throwback from last year. If you see this 140 on the outside, I could find this angle here on the inside, because these two angles together form a straight line or sweep out a half circle, and that would total 180 degrees. So to find this angle right here, I could take 180 minus 140, and I would see that that angle had to be 40 degrees. Okay? Now, if I look here and I'm trying to find angle X, I know the three angles of a triangle add up to 180. So now I'm going to focus on the triangle here. Three angles of a triangle add up to 180. So if I take a look at this, I know if I have 30, that angle, plus 40, I got to look at the interior angles of that triangle that I've outlined in red, plus X, those three angles together have to add up to 180 degrees. So 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 plus X has to be 180 degrees. I can now subtract 70 on each side. You don't have to use an equation to do this, but I'm just choosing to. X equals 180 minus 70 is 110 degrees. So angle X must be 110 degrees. Now if I wanted to get real crazy, I could now find this angle out here, because I know these two angles together have to add up to 180 degrees. That'll give me 70 degrees out here. All right, and another piece. Now that's all the 7th grade piece. You could do all of that in 7th grade. Soon in 8th grade, you're going to learn about the fact that if you have two interior angles in a triangle, that 30, that 110, if you take those two interior angles and add them together, 30 plus 110, you'll get the exterior angle that doesn't touch those. So 30 and 110 will get you this 140 out here. And for this 70 here, do you see if you do 30 plus 40, you'll get the 70 out here. So that's a new piece of information you're going to learn in 8th grade when you take they call them the non-adjacent interior angles and add them up. You get that exterior angle. 30 plus 40 would get me to 70. 30 plus 110 would get me out here to 140. But you could do this problem without knowing that 8th grade fact. You can do it strictly based on your 7th grade skills of three angles of a triangle add up to 180, and two angles that form a straight line or sweep out a half circle are supplementary, therefore have to add up to 180 degrees. Hope that helps.